Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EUR USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I was absent for 3 days, but more or less I'm regular, so you can subscribe. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of EUR USD in front of us right now, and as we all know that after this huge fall we saw good recovery on the chart of EUR USD yesterday. When the war started, dollar, gold, oil, they all started flying, but yesterday we saw heavy correction on all the charts here. If we look at the chart of DXY, you can see that after making a high of 90, okay, 99.41 DXY, okay, right now trading at 98.12. Overall, the structure, the setup of DXY is still very bullish, but yes, we saw heavy correction as well. It took support around the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, which was also the 50 moving average. So both these factors were able to hold the market right now. But whether this will be able to hold or not, we are still not sure. Because it still looks like a bearish flag to us. So if market reverses, then we will understand that the overall bullish structure of DXY is intact. But otherwise, if it breaks the bearish flag and starts going down, then yes, there will be trouble for the other USD pairs, and it will be good recovery for EUR USD. So it's time for us to look at the chart of DXY again. Now let's look at the chart of EUR USD. So EUR USD chart is just the opposite. On the DXY chart, we have seen a bearish flag, and here we can see a bullish flag here. As we all know, the first rule of bullish flag is that as long as market is trading between these two lines, this is our no trading zone. Trading nahi karna hai. Okay, because this is an indecisive period. It is confusing for us. Okay, we do not get a clear-cut sign whether we should be trading or not. So if market breaks the flag and starts going up, we can take a buy position. For additional confirmation, look at the chart of DXY, because if market breaks the flag here, then obviously we will see the opposite, a red candle on DXY. If you see a red candle DXY going down, you can take a buy position on EUR USD. Just make sure that the size of the candle is good enough. Yes, for a proper breakout we need volume as well. So volume is a confusing topic. Most of you are beginners, so I do not want to talk about volume here. Just look at the size of the candle. If the size of the candle is good enough, go for it. On the other hand, if the present correction on EUR USD continues, then if you want to take a sell position, that's your personal call. I will not comment on that. I am just here to mark the important levels in the market. Okay, so if the correction continues, okay, if market fails to break the level and correction continues, then 1.0950, yes, this level 1.0950 will be the next important level, and if this fails, then 1.0920. Overall, this is a support zone for the market, and honestly speaking, we can hope for a good bounce, because see, it's been more than 2-3 weeks, not 3 weeks, it's been more than around 2 weeks since the war has started between Russia and Ukraine. So market has more or less digested the war. So if market comes down to this level, we can expect a bounce if any bad news does not come out. Okay, otherwise we can expect a good bounce from here. So if the present correction continues in the market and market bounces from here, we can go for a buy as well. Why? Because this is a support from the weekly chart. Okay, and as we all know, the support from the higher time frames are very strong. So there is a good possibility that market will be bouncing from here. Okay, but yes, we should not forget the fact that there is a war going on. So stay in touch with the news as well. And if market breaks also, then we have the ultimate support at 0.0800, 1.0800. This is the ultimate support for EUR USD. But under the present circumstances, there is a good possibility that market will be coming down If market comes down, then market will take support and bounce from here. But otherwise, if DXY falls, then market will break the flag and market will start going up. So these are the present scenarios on Euro USD. But keep in mind, still war is going on. Market is very unstable, very volatile. So use proper risk management and use stop loss. Do not trade without stop loss. Trading without stop loss is like suicide right now. Okay. And one more thing I would like to add, that is follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please do your own analysis as well. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.